Edge devices must be installed with correct firmware to connect with ANSVIS network. ANSVIS support almost all kind of edge devices from NVIDIA Jetson series, Raspberry Pi, Qualcomm to Intel Core window. The model page allows user to quickly deploy AI models to edge devices. AI models can be trained from DL Hub or OD Hub and imported directly into ANSVIS. ANSVIS support different types of trigger when detecting object, and set up native API calls for C, C++, LabVIEW, C#, etc. For any software and web, mobile applications, user can easily set up and connect their cameras to ANSVIS network. ANSVIS supports IP cameras, ONVIF, USB 3, GigE cameras, NIMAQ, Webcam, remoted camera and camera connect to cloud service. To run the AI inference, simply go to the dashboard and press play. The edge device will start running and does AI inference. When detecting objects, it will send trigger events to user. ANSVIS supports multiple AI models running in parallel and streaming data to AI models at the same time. ANSVIS dashboard can help manage all edge devices that are currently connecting to ANSVIS, and provide visualization interface that shows status of the edge devices, IP cameras, and corresponding ANSVIS network.